welcome students. I'm your teacher Simra and this is your English lecture. So we are doing a revision now. I'm just gonna give you a little task. It's not that difficult, okay? You just have to find some prepositions from your reader Robin Hood. I'm just gonna give you an idea about prepositions. What are the prepositions? I've already told you what are these, but I'm gonna repeat this for you because you have to just find 5 prepositions from your reader Robin Hood. At least 5 prepositions. If you find more, then you can write more. Okay. So, what are the prepositions? Open page number 62, unit 9, prepositions. Okay, do not write date and day because it's revision. Look at the pictures below, read the sentences. The book is on the table. The bird is in the cage. The boy is under the tree. The taxi is beside the bus. बुक टेबल के ऊपर है तो ऊपर को क्या कह दिया हमने ऑन. बर्ड केज के अंदर है. केज मीन्स पिंजरा. तो अंदर को क्या कह दिया हमने इन. द बॉय इज़ अंडर द ट्री. नीचे है. नीचे को क्या कह दिया हमने अंडर. द टैक्सी इज़ बिसाइड द बस. बिसाइड मीन्स साथ. तो साथ को हमने क्या कह दिया बिसाइड. जो चीज़ हमें किसी की जो वर्ड हमें किसी की पोजीशन बताए लाइक द बुक इज़. अगर हम ऑन ना लिखें हम सिर्फ लिखें द बुक इज़ डैश द टेबल तो क्या हमें पता चलेगा कि बुक टेबल के ऊपर है. नो वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड वेयर द बुक इज़. ओके सो वी गोना राइट ऑन. अगर हम ऑन बोलेंगे तभी हमें पता चलेगा ना बुक टेबल के ऊपर है. सो ऑन वर्ड हमें बता रहा है बुक की पोजिशन. द बुक इज़ ऑन द टेबल. Then the next word is the bird is in the cage. Bird cage के अंदर है पिंजरे के. So अगर हम in ना लगाएं, if we remove in, so will we able to recognize whether where is the bird? The bird is dash the cage. Bird जो है वो पिंजरे के अंदर है तो हमें इस word से इन word से पता चल रहा है cage के अंदर है bird. तो in word is telling us the position of the birds. Look, preposition word की position बताना. The boy is under the tree. जो बच्चा है वो ट्री के नीचे है दरख्त के. ठीक है तो अंडर मीन्स नीचे. अगर हम अंडर ना लगाएं तो क्या हमें पता चलेगा the boy is dash the tree. The boy is dash the tree. The boy is the tree. ऐसे हमें क्या पता चल रहा है बॉय कहाँ पर है. नहीं, we won't be able to know where the boy is, so we are gonna use the word under. तब हमें पता चल रहा है कि उसकी position पता चल रही है. The taxi is beside the bus. If we remove the word beside, the taxi is the bus. Does it make any sense? No, it doesn't. So we're gonna write beside to tell the position of a taxi. The words on, in, under and beside are prepositions. जो words on, in, under और beside हैं ये prepositions हैं. This is your definition. You're going to learn it also in today's lecture. This is also your task to learn the definition of prepositions. Prepositions show where people, animal, places and things are. Preposition हमें बताती हैं कि जानवर, जगहें और चीज़ें कहाँ हैं. So ये तो हो गई preposition. Now you're gonna find at least 5 words from the reader Robin Hood. Okay, this is your literature's lecture. Okay, you're gonna find 5 words from Robin Hood. You're gonna find 5 prepositions from Robin Hood and you're gonna write these on your literature's notebook. Okay, which notebook? Literature's notebook. So I'm not gonna tell you any preposition. You can also write more than 5 if you find. Okay, you have to write date, day, and you just gonna write 5 words from preposition. I'm just gonna show you how. So class, this is how you're gonna write it. First of all, write date 8th August 2020. C.W for classwork and the day is Saturday. 5 prepositions from Robin Hood. You're gonna number your preposition number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you find more than 5 prepositions, so you can also write those like 6, 7, but 5 are necessary or compulsory for you. Okay, This is how you're gonna do your work. So okay, till next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.